Welcome to Outdoors Discount Store. This is my channel. I talk about my eBay store. Today I want to go over some parts, and I have it up on the computer, the prices. First one, kind of go over it quick. It's a Husqvarna Briggs & Stratton engine. I only sell, mainly sell small gas engine OEM parts. So here's the flywheel. Good shape, cleaned up. The price I have it listed at is $15.30 plus $5 shipping. Most of my items is $5 shipping. Some are calculated shipping, some are free shipping. Most of it is flat fee, $5 shipping. Plus the flywheel, 15 bucks. Here's the dipstick. This is $9.99. Good price. Here's a cylinder head. Good shape. This I have listed at let's see, $16.88. And most items I do accept best offer, so shoot me an offer. In the description below, I'll have my links. Right now I'm running coupons for 10% off. So here's the carburetor bracket. I have this at $11.52. Carburetor bracket. Here's the brake. Brake I have at $8.66. There's a flywheel cup. Have it at $10.45. $10.45. Here's the breather tube. $7.99. Comment below what your niche is on eBay. What do you like selling on eBay? Here's a fuel cap. Good thread on it. It says $7.99. Some miscellaneous parts. It's got like the governor and the throttle. It's got the cylinder head bolts in there. Miscellaneous bolts. Normally I have it under miscellaneous parts or hardware. Let's see, what do I have that listed as? Where is it? $14.63. 14 bucks. And bunch of bolts that you need. Carburetor. Carburetors I have listed as for rebuild. Carburetor, excuse me, $15.20. send me an offer. Here's let's see here. Here's a chute cover with the bolts on there. It's 1766. Here's the top cover, Husqvarna. Let's see, you got that listed at 1720. No, yeah, 1720, $17. Here's a recoil pull start, kind of a weak coil. 2130 to send me an offer. Here's the fuel tank. I have it at $22.89. I sell a lot of these. Sell a lot of these. Yeah. Yeah. So that's just one engine. I got tons of bins, tons of parts. I'll have it linked down in the description, my eBay store. Check it out. I'll be posting more videos. Probably post some videos how to take a carburetor off the engine and miscellaneous stuff. Just different parts that I'm selling. And hit up my store, check it out. If you need some OEM used parts, send me an offer. Yeah, thanks for checking out Outdoors Discount Store.